Hello, I'm Tofazzal Hossain. I'm a full-time digital marketer. So today's topic: how can I set up browser set tracking? So without wasting our time, let's begin. So first of all, you have to create your tag manager ID because we are connecting a tag manager into website backend. So if we are connecting the tag manager code into website backend. So how can I do it? I'm going to show you. So first of all, you have to come in tag manager, then create a new account and account name. What's your name? What do you want to put down your company name? So my company name is Daily Home Picks USA. This is my company name. So United States and the same name, Daily Home Picks USA. Paste down and targeted platform. You select the web because we are tracking the browser set tracking, so that's why you select the web and then press the create option and press yes button. So it takes some second time. After that you can see the pop-up window. It doesn't matter, you cross it and go to your website backend. This is the website backend. After that we need a plugin. This is the plugin section and search GTM4 and okay. Yeah, you can see there are no plugin in here, so I'm going to press the add plugin and this is the new plugin store and search GTM4. Okay, GTM. Yeah, you can see the GTM4WP, a Google Tag Manager. So you need to install it. Press the install, and after that, yeah, it's installed, and press the active. When you press the active, they are automatically turn over into this page, and you can see Google GTM4WP plugin is installed. So then you have to press the setting option, press the settings. Yeah, look, this is the pop-up window. You need a Google Tag Manager ID. Where I can find? So back into your Google Tag Manager ID and look, this is the code, and copy this code and paste in here. This is my Google Tag Manager ID, and after that it's off. If you see this option is off, you press this on button, and if you this off, like a footer of the page not recommended by Google search, this is turn off. Okay, after that press the save changes. It's not finished. Yeah, you can see this option is off. So again press the on and press the off and save changes. Yeah, we have a multiple option, basic data to visitor. Yeah, there are a lot of option in here. Place the okay, this is the second option. Login status, tick, login user role, place tick, login user ID, username, login email. I think I don't need anything, so I check it is there a need or not. Yeah, if you see, this is my doc file. I created this doc file for my easy if I forget the things. So for login status, login user role, login status, user role, and ID and email. Yeah, I need ID. This is the email and ID. Where is the ID? Yeah, this is ID. I already did it. 1 2 3 4. Yeah, you need to press this 4 option. When you are press, then press the save changes. Okay, it's integrated. After that you have to go integration settings and WooCommerce and press the track e-commerce option, customer data, customer. I think this is track e-commerce role, data layer, order data, customer data, order data. Okay, I press the e-commerce, customer data. Where is the customer data? Yeah, order data, customer data in data layer, order data in data layer. This is not for me. This 3. One is tracking e-commerce, and second customer data in data layer, and third is data order data in data layer. You have to tick mark this option. When you tick mark, the work is complete. You press the save changes. It's done. They are all complete. When you do this thing, you successfully added your Google Tag Manager into your website backend. This is completely set up. So it's worked or not, how can we solve? So back on Google Tag Manager and press the preview option. So we are going to we are going to see that it's worked or not. So you need to paste your website URL. This is this website URL. So press the website URL and paste it. I've already when you press and press the connect option. Yeah, this is my website. Yeah, you can see the tag assistant connected. It's worked. So this is the panel. If I press any product, so if I visit this watch, Hublot chain watch, you can see in here is show it, Hublot show watch. Page view event, I think fired in here. Okay. Yeah, look, Hublot watch chain fired. It's successfully fired. If I press any other product like a DNK green shoes, content view event fired, green shoes fired or not, you can see. Yeah, it's connected, successfully connected, you can see in here. So yeah, look, DNK green shoes fired, tag fired successfully. So this is the process how we are connected Google Tag Manager into our website. So we are going to create a this is the process. Okay, so cut down this all thing, I don't need it. So back into your Google Tag Manager, and you need to create some tag, trigger and variable. So how we are creating this? So if I show the whole thing, the video will be a bigger much as we cannot understand. So that's why for an easy purpose I created this doc file for easy, because if we are collecting this whole thing in my website backend and copy and paste, so it's gonna long time. So that's why I, for a shortcut purpose, I already copy it and paste into this doc file. First of all, you can see we are creating page view event. How we are creating? Look, I can write in here tag, trigger and variable. Okay, yeah, so we are going to create a page view event. So there are no need variables because we already have variable trigger all pages. Yeah, we already have for default. And if we are go to tag and press the new option and configure it, look, there are no Facebook pixel. We need a Facebook pixel. Yeah, you can see tag configuration community template gallery Facebook pixel and write pixel ID. So that's why we are press the discover more type community templates gallery and search on Facebook pixel. Netflix. What is the problem? Facebook pixel by effecting. There are no Facebook pixel by archive. When you are search on first time, you see the Facebook pixel by archive. You choose that one. I think there are problems. What's the problem? Facebook pixel. I write the correct spelling. Pixel pixel. Yeah, if you don't find the Facebook pixel by archive, then you can choose that one. But if you find the Facebook pixel by archive, yeah, you definitely choose that one. So I choose the Facebook pixel by step and press add to workspace. Press add. It's definitely and successfully added. So we need a Facebook pixel ID. Pixel ID. If you don't know about Facebook pixel ID, so if you can search on YouTube, you find the all information in on YouTube. So I'm not showing you that process. So I need a Facebook pixel ID. So that's why I'm going to the Facebook and collect my Facebook pixel ID. This is my page and I selected my where see all page. Yeah, this is my page and we are connecting for this page. So I'm going to my business manager. If you didn't find your Facebook pixel ID, so this is the process how to collect your Facebook pixel ID. So when you are when you see this thing, you press the setting and or 3-dot option. my net there's some little bit problem. So when you see this option, you press the event manager. Yeah, it's appear. So when you came here event manager, you can place the dataset. Yeah, this is the datasets, and you can see the setting option in here, and go to setting. This is the setting option. Now sinabi like look, this is my dataset ID. So press the, and you can see it's copied. So this is the pixel ID, and I'm going to here and paste the Ctrl V. This is the pixel ID. So for a shortcut purpose, create a path URL. Yeah, it's press the, it's another option. The Facebook pixel ID, when you paste in here, then select the event name, what you are select, page view. Here the multiple option, we need page view, and tag trigger, we need a trigger for all page. Select it successfully, and then you can see the variables no need. So that's why I'm not create any variables. I already have it for a default purpose, Facebook all page. So that's why I select that one, page view. Yeah, it's complete. So press the save. Before you save, you need to change your name. I put down in the Facebook page view event. Page view event FB page view event. Yeah, press the save. Look, successfully created one variable, sorry, tag, and this is called event page view event, Facebook page view event we successfully created. So it's worked. I think it's definitely worked. So that's why I didn't show you. So this is the process. So I'm going to show the view content event. So before I created view content event, we need to create some variables. So this is the variables and how we are creating this. So look, DLB content name, that means you need to create a DLB. Look, I am showing you, for you can, it's easy. Press the variable option and press new, and press this option, and you can see the DLB mean data layer variable. data layer variable, constant data. Yeah, this is the data layer variable. So before we data layer variable, I'm going to create a constant variable for my Facebook pixel ID for easy purpose. This is my Facebook pixel ID, and I note down FB pixel ID. ID is when I need this pixel, I select it and it will be appear. Yeah, so I need to create a DLB variable. I'm going to here and DLB data layer variable, and need look DLB content name. I need to copy this, Control C and B. I need to create this variable. So if you ask me where I can find this custom code, I definitely show you. So okay, first of all, I create this DLB content name. If I press the preview option, how and where can I find this custom code? Okay, I'm going to show you. Look, I created one FB page view content. It's already fired. So if I press a content, view content, if I press and saw the view content, you can see view content tag will be fired in here. View item list. Okay, you can see this API call option. There are some code. If I show you this DLB content name, this I need ecommerce.items.0.items/name. I need a DLB content name, focus, content name. So if I find content name in this option, content name, where is the content name? Product type, product item, brand, item name. Okay, I find the item name. Content name or item name, it's same, so don't mind. So where is the process? ecommerce.items. Why I said this process? This is a JavaScript custom code you cannot understand, so now it doesn't matter. So first of all, e-commerce. Yeah, you can see this is the e-commerce. Where and why and how to create this whole thing, I'm trying to show you this thing. So if I press the e-commerce, and why I said this dot, e-commerce. After that, currency. If I need to collect this currency, so if I out of this second bracket, we need a one dot. If I out of this second bracket, we need a dot. So that's why you can see in here there are dot. If I press the dot option, dot, after that I need item. Yeah, look, there is the item. 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 Why I said that again, dot. Item, and I need last item 0 dot item name. Yeah, item name. I need item name. Look, this is the item name. I find it. Yeah, and we have a role, so that's why if I if I go out of this second bracket, we need a one bracket. If I go to first bracket, out of first bracket, we need a dot 0 dot. So that's why we are paste dot 0 dot. After that, we are collect the item name. You can see in here, this is the item name. Where item? Yeah, this is the item name. Control C and 0 dot 0 dot paste. Look, this is the same, and this is the process how we are already. It's a long time, take a long time, so that's why I already copy and paste, and for shortcut purpose. So this is the purpose. So let's start it. I already create a one variable. So next, paste the new option. We need a DLB content ID. We copied this one and select the data layer variable and paste in here and change this name. DLB content ID and press the save option. Yeah, we are created successfully two variables. So the third one, copy this code and go to new, paste this one, paste data layer variable and copy paste here and change this name into that name, DLB value. Paste the DLB value and save it. After that, we need e-commerce currency. Paste new option. So this is the process how we are create variables. DLB currency and paste in here and save. So this is the last option. It's not a DLB variables because it's a product group. CST mean constant. We need constant variable. Constant. So this is the constant. And copy this product group, paste in here, and change that name into that name, CST content name. Yeah, save it. Look, I successfully create all variables created, already done. So I'm going to create a trigger, view item trigger. So we need to go trigger option, press the trigger option and press new, and here there, and we need to press custom event, and look, view item, I need to copy this view item and paste the view item and change that name, view item trigger. Okay, and press save option, and okay, trigger already created. So we need to go tag option, press the tag option and press the new, press tag configuration. After that, you see the new tag configuration, Facebook pixel, write a Facebook pixel ID, event name, standard view content. So okay, it's easy. If I choose the Facebook pixel, and we need a Facebook pixel ID, so I don't have pixel ID. So you have to go again. This is a long time, so that's why I created the short constant type every pixel ID. I choose it. Okay, here. So this is the process, is under the Facebook pixel ID. So you choose the standard event name. We need to change this event name into view content. This is the view content, and we need some other setting, object user properties. Yeah, this is the setting. You can see under object properties we need some variables. We are already created this setting, so it's easy. I count down 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we need a 5. 1 2 3 4 5. We need 5 variables for content type, content name, content ID, value, and currency. If I copy this one and paste in here, I copy this one and paste here, content ID, paste in here, and value, paste the value, and currency. Oh, sorry, currency in here. So we need this one. I already created this one, so that's why I didn't copy. If I press in that option, I find the content type, DLB content type. Yeah, this is content type. I selected if for a shortcut purpose. If I if I write down the second double second bracket, you can see the all in here. We need content name con. Yeah, this is daily content name, and content id where is id, content id, and value. Yeah, value, and currency. This is the currency. I choose this all setting. I already created this variable option, so that's why it's appear in here. So we need to select trigger. Yeah, press the option and you can see this view item trigger. Select this view item trigger. I need to change this name. View content event. FB view content event. Okay, press the save option. Yeah, look, I created the second event, view content event. So this is the process. We are created the all event. It takes time, but I'm going to show you how to set up the all thing. So we need add to cart event, add to cart event, add to cart event. If I want to create add to cart event, first of all I have to go variables. Look, it's a shortcut. Variables, I need DLV, content name, content ID, value, and currency. I already this variables I already created. Okay, so that's why I am not created again. I already have this variable, so that's why I'm not created. So tag, we need to create add to cart trigger. Okay, and we need pixel ID tag. Okay, see the tag configure pixel right standard and add to cart. It's same on view content event, so that's why I'm not created. I copied this view content event and customize it. Press the three dot option and press the copy of view content. Okay, cart down, add to cart, write down add to cart. Cart, add to cart. Now add to cart content. This is the same process. Here with pixel ID, you need to change this event name. This is the add to cart, so that's why I select the add to cart. Object, under the object properties we need view content name, content ID, and value. Content name, content ID, value, and currency. Content type. Okay, sorry. I must be need this content type, name, ID, value, currency. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. It's same. Okay, so that's why I'm not edit this option. It's almost same, that's why I copied this option. So I skip this option and change the triggering. Delete this trigger. Press the pen option and press the minus. It's a cart down cart. So I'm going to create add to cart trigger. Press the plus option and press and select custom event. So I need add to cart. This is add to cart. Yeah, add to cart. You can copy this same. If you do any spelling mistake, its trigger doesn't work. So carefully write down this add to cart. Add to cart event. Add to cart event. Sorry, it is not event. This is the trigger. Add to cart trigger. Add to cart trigger. So press the save. Yeah, it's trigger connected. Add to cart trigger. It's all done. Maybe add to cart content event. Okay, so all is done. So press the save option. So I create 1 2 3 trigger in 3 content. I created the 3 event. The one is view content and add to cart and page view event. So I check it out, it's worked or not. Press the preview option. And paste the link and press connect. Okay, tag is connected. If I go to any product like DNK blue shoe, I place the blue shoes. Oh, it's not connected. I need to connect it again. Look, not connected. First of all, I have to connected this. It takes time. Couldn't not connect to wires.com. I think I need to cut and press preview again. This is the problem. top and I cut this, delete and add domain. I need a website URL. Where is the website URL and press connect. Yeah, it's okay, connected. Look, this is the 3 content, and one is view content and one is add to cart content, mean event, and one is already fired, that is the page view content. So if I go any product and visit the content, any product, I visit Rolex superlative chronometer. If I press this on, you can see view content. Yeah, view content event, it will be fired. It's my net is slow, so that's why. Yeah, look, FB view content event is fired. If I press add to cart, then add to cart will be fired. So add to cart, add to cart. I press add to cart. Look, add to cart fired. So this is the process. This is called website browser site tracking. If any customer praise your content, praise your product and add to cart, and after that he is gone, he doesn't buy your product, you can find this customer easily for if you set up your browser site tracking. So we are not complete or all set up, so we need to create begin checkout and purchase tracking. Yeah, it's gone. We need to create 2 content. So we are going to create begin checkout, yeah, begin checkout event. So it's complete. We need to create begin checkout. If I check first of all variables, requirement, parameters, where is the variable, where is the variable? Okay, we need this value, currency, content ID as CGS, mean custom JavaScript. Okay, content name CGS, mean custom JavaScript, content type, product group, e-commerce value. Okay, we need to create this object properties, event parameter. Where is the begin checkout, page view, trigger. This is the variables. We need these variables, so I'm going to create these variables and press the new part 1, the variables to the e-commerce item must. Okay, first of all GTM variables, new variables, data layer variable name, this variable name, data layer variable name. Copy this and choose. We are creating data layer variable, paste, and data layer variable name, paste e-commerce.items and DLB e-commerce item. This is the name and DLB e-commerce name. Okay, it's done and save. Yeah, it's created. So I created this one. So value, order value, so this is the same process. We are going to create the value, data layer variable, currency, okay, there is the new option and variable configuration and choose data layer variable. Okay, I need this one, e-commerce value. If I paste value, we need to change this value, e-commerce value, and save it. Yeah, we need another one. The third one is currency, e-commerce currency. Place the new, select the data layer variable and paste e-commerce currency and e-commerce currency. Okay, place the save option. The fourth is something difficult, so if you don't understand, you can see again video again and again. If you saw my video sometime multiple time, so you can understand, I think. So we need to create JavaScript. This is the JavaScript. First of all, look, variable, new, type, custom JavaScript. Okay, press the new, variable, custom. I need custom JavaScript. This is the custom JavaScript. Paste, and we need this code. I already pasted in here. Copy this code and copy and paste in here and change that name into that name, CGS multiple product ID. Yeah, okay, it's done and save. Okay, it's created. So the fifth one is multiple product custom CGS product ID. So this is the code I copy. I copied, and same process. Go to this one and press variable and choose the custom JavaScript and paste in here and change that name. Okay, product name. This is the custom JavaScript multiple product name. Okay, and press save. Yeah, it's all done. The variables are complete. Yeah, we don't need any other variable, so variables are complete. So I'm going to create the trigger. We need to create a begin checkout trigger. Here's the new, you can see begin checkout variable. Where is the begin? Yeah, begin checkout. Trigger checkout page view. We need this begin checkout. We need this line, so that's why I came here. And let's see. Place and select the custom event and paste begin checkout. Okay, begin FB begin event name FB begin checkout. Trigger okay, is the set. The trigger are created completely, so I'm going to create a tag and place the new option, place tag configuration and Facebook page step, and paste your pixel ID. Pixel ID. This is the pixel ID, and change the event name begin checkout. Initiate checkout. Yeah. Page view. Add to cart. Add to list. Look, there are not any begin checkout name because it's changed. It's changed in here. So we are select this one. So this is the initiate checkout and begin checkout. It's same. So I choose the initiate checkout. So under the object properties, we need some property. How many property I need? 1 2 3 4 5. I need 5 properties. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I copy this value and currency and content ID, content name and content type. Okay, so I need e-commerce value VAL. Look, e-commerce value, currency, e-commerce currency, e-commerce currency, ID, yes. Yeah, CGS multiple product ID. Choose that one. CGS multiple product ID and content names. Name and ID. Content name, CGS content name. Sorry, it's mistake. We need CGS multiple contact ID name. Yeah, that one. Multiple product name and content type. content type, it's same. So the properties, object properties are all done, and you need to go triggering option and connect the trigger. If I press and begin checkout, FB begin checkout, select this one and change this name, initiate checkout, FB begin checkout, event name begin checkout. So change this name, FB begin checkout, and press the save. Yeah, we are created the begin checkout event. Look, we have an interest in here. So if I want to create the purchase event, so it's same, begin checkout and purchase is almost same, so that's why I'm going to copy and edit it. Go to begin checkout and copy this one and change it purchase. Purchase FB purchase event. Okay, so this is purchase event and the all is same. We need to change this event name because this is not a begin checkout, it's a purchase. So choose the purchase. This is the purchase, and we need to change some properties. Okay. We need some extra properties, so that's why I am not created this one. Look, requirement parameters. There are multiple parameters in here. Variables for purchase event. There'll be eco transaction ID, eco value. Eco means e-commerce. Eco value, eco currency. I already created this. Item, tax, shipping, coupon. So these three parameters are not created, so that's why I need this one. If I don't create, it's okay, but if you created those parameters, it will be much better. So I cut down, I deleted this triggering, I choose the purchase trigger. I think purchase trigger, not here. I'm created the purchase trigger. Yeah, FB purchase trigger is purchase. Okay, choose the custom event and paste purchase. Purchase trigger. Purchase trigger. Okay, save this part. Oh, wait a minute, there are something. I think I made a mistake. Purchase I'm not created the transaction ID. I needed to create transaction ID. Okay, it's a long time, so I'm not. If I press the cross option, it will be all is deleted. So I press the save, and I'm going to create 2 or 3 variables for purchase tag. Yes, and okay, we need extra. Look, optional extra. I mean, if you create this shipping coupon item tax, it's good. It's give you some extra facilities. So if you don't, it's not that you need must to create this one. That's why if you don't create, no problem. So I'm going to create this one. DLB transaction ID. Choose the data layer variable. I need transaction ID. Transaction ID. Paste the DLB transaction ID. Okay, and save. We need e-commerce value. Yeah, we already have e-commerce value, so that's why I am not created this one. E-commerce currency. I think I have this one. E-commerce currency. If I check it down, e-commerce currency. Yeah, e-commerce currency I already have. And item, e-commerce item. E-commerce value currency. Yeah, DLB e-commerce items I already have. Text. Text I don't have e-commerce text. So I'm going to create this one. This is the new and set and data layer variable and e-commerce tag DLB text e-commerce text and press save. And shipping and coupon. Go to new and select the data layer variable and e-commerce shipping, DLB e-commerce shipping, and press save. And the last one, e-commerce coupon. If press and data layer variable, place the e-commerce coupon and DLB e-commerce coupon. Okay, done. So this variable we need to attach the purchase trigger tag. So I'm going to the purchase tag, purchase, press the purchase and go to this object properties. Okay, so look, we need this requirement. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the must. You need 5. The transaction ID, value, currency, item ID. Transaction ID. I don't have transaction ID, so I'm going to add this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need transaction ID. So to place the transaction ID, and so second bracket transaction keyword. Where is the transaction ID? ID. Huh? Where is the transaction ID? Transaction ID. Yeah, I'm created transaction ID. So where is DLB e-commerce transaction ID? I need transaction ID. Yeah, it's coming. DLB e-commerce transaction ID is here. So second, I need value, e-commerce value. I have value, e-commerce value. I already have currency, e-commerce currency, e-commerce currency, and content ID and content name. Content ID, content name. Okay, I already have. So second, text. Second is text. And text, and place the second bracket and text, and choose the e-commerce text and place the shipping and write the second bracket and select the e-commerce shipping. And the last one is coupon. And write the coupon and choose the DLB e-commerce coupon. We need the last one is e-commerce item count. Yeah, it's not important, so that's why I quite this one. So that's why if you need, you can create, but I think it's not important. So save the FB purchase. So it's all ready, all is done. So look, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. One, two, three, four, 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the all is done. I think I'm not created this number item, e-commerce item count, number item is not here, but it's still 9th. It's extra one variable is here. So which one is at the extra? I need to find out. Transaction ID, value, currency. Transaction ID, value, currency, ID, content name, I find out, I think content type is a extra, it's not important. Content type content type is not here. It's not important, so that's why it's not in here. I put down this content type. If you write this one, it's not a problem. If it's an extra facility, if you write this variable properties, it's not a problem. Okay, so all is done. I check it out, it's all okay or not. Or okay, variable purchase. Okay, all is done. I press the save. When you press the save option, I think all is done. Yeah, so this is the process how you are set up your browser sets tracking. This is the process of browser site tracking. So I'm gonna show you it's worked or not. You need to press the preview option. This is a video shop. You paste this your website URL and press the connect option. Okay, look, I'm created those event, page view event, view content event, begin checkout, add to cart, purchase, the all is in here. I definitely show you it's worked or not. So if I press this Rodo context JavaScript, still I think, yeah, it's here, appear in here. View content, FB page view content isn't fired, but I already view the content. So if you have the same problem, it's not a problem. So if you go another product, you can see it will be fired. I think it takes time. Okay, if I press the add to cart, add to cart, look, view content is fired, and the other hand add to cart already fired. So begin checkout. Okay, I'm gonna check it's worked or not. Begin checkout. So if I press the process to checkout, that means begin checkout. I think it will be fired. Press the process to checkout. Yeah, I am here. Payment information. Begin checkout. It's not fired. Look, there are many products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are many products. Add to cart. Okay, I'm going to show you the begin checkout will be fired or not. It's 20 product. I think that's why it's not work. Remove. Yeah, if I press the process to check out, press the process to check out. My internet problem, so I think this is the problem. If you have a good internet, I think it's fired. Look, begin checkout or fired. I do begin checkout. Okay, I tell you, if you have a good internet, it's fired on same time. So the purchase event, if I do any purchase, if anyone purchase your product, you find the definitely, so it's worked or not. We need a number. ID, and if I place that process to order, okay. Look, purchase event are not fired because I already told you it's my internet problem. So go to shipping. If I purchase any other product like a current, this one, still now purchase event isn't fired. So I'm going to purchase this one and this watch, and I'm going to show you the every purchase event will be fired definitely. It's my internet. It's bad luck, bro. Add to card is fired. Proceed to checkout. I'm going to buy this product again. Okay, place the order. Okay, thank you. Your order will receive and shipping update by mail. What's the problem, bro? Yeah, this is my problem. I know. If I think I know that if you have a good internet, you definitely the purchase tag will be fired. If there are any problem, you can message me on the comment box, and if you need any help, without hesitation, you message me definitely. Yeah, it's appear. I'm going to purchase this watch and check this purchase event fired or not. Just add to cart. Proceed to check out. Oh, okay. I think I find out the problem. Why my tag isn't fired? Because I'm recording my screen. When I'm recording this screen, my purchase tag are not fired. If I stop my screen recording, the tag are fired. So that's why I told you, when you complete your purchase event and in the same types, you can see your purchase event will be definitely fired. I find out the problem. So this is the process how you can set up your browser site tracking. So next video I'm going to show you the server side tracking. How can you set up your server side tracking? So continue. Purchase event. Look, purchase event are fired. There are no problem. I purchased this product and the purchase event are fired. So I told you it's not a problem if you set up this same way. Or so I think it's definitely helpful. So is anyone saw the full video? So comment me on this found full video. If anyone saw the full video, I'm going to give you my this doc file link on comment box link. So if anyone need this doc file, you have to saw the full video. So when you saw the full video, please comment me the full video. So this is the full video. So thanks for watching. Have a good luck. Bye bye.